Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachael here. I believe you guys are doing very well. Well, I am back again with another great video for you guys. Today I am going to show you how I achieved this beautiful look by using yarn. I have done the Africa threading in the past. This time I wanted to go for something else. I will leave the video up here. I will also leave it in the description box so you guys can go and check it out. Yeah, I wanted to try something different, so I used yarn instead of the Africa threading, and trust me guys, the yarn, I think I am loving it because it left my hair a bit moisturized. It didn't dry out my head where the Africa thread did to my hair last time, and my hair was really dry, but this time it wasn't too dry. So without further ado, let's jump into this video.
So here is my hair. I did the back of my hair and some part of the front out of camera. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I did this. This is the wool that we are going to use, the yarn. So first of all, you're gonna spray your hair. I will be using my aloe vera juice, some shea butter, and my leave-in conditioner. So I will go ahead and spread my hair. Then I will add my leave-in and my shea butter. Anyway, my hair is fully washed, deep conditioner and all. So you're gonna like spray your hair. Then after, you will start trying to use your hand to figure and detangle first to remove any shed hair. Then you will start threading your hair. Like, it's similar to the Africa threading. It is the same method, but I use yarn instead of the African thread. So now I will start threading my hair. Then when you get to the roots, you will double the yarn, as you can see, because the ends of our hair is very light, so you're gonna use the double yarn to support your ends, so you can be able to make a loop to secure it in the ends. Then after that, I thread on the yarn upward again because the yarn was very long. I didn't really want to cut it, so I just thread it upward again. Then I did a loop. Then that is it, guys. I'm just repeating the same. Fold it in the ends, make a loop to secure it, then I will thread it upward again. So this is the last one in the front. So I'm just gonna spray my hair again with the aloe vera juice to moisturize my hair. Then I will add my leave-in. I will add a little butter, like to seal the liquid, the cream in. Fold it, thread it and make a loop, then thread it upward again. You don't have to thread it upward if you don't want. This is just my way, okay? So I'm done threading it, and this is the next day. I'm gonna unravel the yarn out of my hair. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn your notification bell, because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, and welcome back. So after unraveling the yarn out of my hair, I was just trying to fluff my hair a bit. Then I'm just gonna repeat the same. I'm gonna take everything out of my hair before I go to the next step. And yeah, so I did the rest of the hair out of camera. I took everything out, and this is how my hair looked like. I tried to fluffy my hair to like unravel then to make it then loosen a bit. So after that, please, before you comb your hair, you want to moisturize your hair again, but not with water or gel this time, the aloe vera gel. You're gonna just add a little bit of your leave-in, because if you don't do this, you're gonna break your hair and your hair is going to be very dry. So you just want to use the cream to like moisturize your hair a bit before started combing your hair. Okay, this is very important. If you haven't watched my aloe vera video, I will leave it in the description box and in the card area so you can check it out. So I'm just gonna continue combing my hair, but when you're doing this, you want to start from the ends of your hair, okay? Then you start combing, but very, very gentle. I also take the advantage like to trim the ends of my hair, because there was few knocks in my ends, so I trim my ends. I trim my entire hair, but yeah, as you can see me doing here, but this one I just did it as a demo for you guys, but I did everything else out of camera. So yeah, if you want to know how I trim my hair, I already have a video on that. I will also leave it down below and leave it in the card area. So I will just like taking all the knots out of my hair because I want my hair to feel healthier. So yeah guys, and after combing the rest of my hair out of camera, I will leave the picture of my hair how it turns out. Yeah, I'm just gonna twist that, and this is it. Thank you so much guys. I hope you enjoy watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.